Over the past 70 years, plastic has become part of our everyday lifestyle. But did you know that plastic is now in everything we eat and drink? 64,800,000. This is the number of single-use plastic bags Aruba has prevented from entering our oceans since our plastic bag ban took effect in 2017. In 2020, Aruba will implement a follow-up law banning styrofoam and other food-related single-use plastic items, which will again support a positive impact. The plastic bag ban and the new law are straightforward. But where do we go from here? How do we shift beyond the plastic economy? In order to answer these questions, more research is needed to understand Aruba's total plastic footprint, the flow of plastics on land and in our oceans. That's why I'm joining eXXpedition. On November 29th, 2019, I will be boarding the SV Travel Edge, a sailing vessel built for science at sea and run by eXXpedition. eXXpedition is a series of all-women sailing voyages exploring the impacts of plastics and toxins in our oceans while working with the most renowned land and marine plastic experts from around the world. In 2018, eXXpedition announced a round-the-world 2019 to 2021 voyage consisting of 30 legs that would be able to host 300 guest crew women from differing backgrounds and skill sets. Of the 10,000 women that applied worldwide, I am one of only 300 that got accepted. I will be joining Leg 4, where we will sail and conduct science starting in Antigua to Bonaire and onto Aruba. We know that there are over 5.25 trillion pieces of plastic floating at the surface of the ocean globally. We also know that there are 5 types of microplastics. Microbeads from our personal care products, pellets from the manufacturing process, yes, we have manufacturers on island, fragments from our disposable plastic packaging, foam from styrofoam food containers, and fibers from plastic in our clothing. If we are able to sample our Aruban oceans, monitor these over time, analyze the samples, and figure out what types of microplastics are predominant, we will likely be able to apply the data results to formulate our next solutions. So, my aim is to learn the science on board of eXXpedition on behalf of Impact Blue and to launch a 2-year citizen science program called IB Lab, which will be led by Impact Blue. We will be assembling our own data collection instrument, collecting the samples and analyzing the samples, applying these methods based on international standards. Besides ocean data, we will also be focusing on understanding the flow of plastics on land. IB Lab is a collaboration of local partners joining forces with Impact Blue to research and design Aruba's next single-use plastic solutions. We're making our impact blue. Make your impact blue.